Good morning, Internet. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to leave Koh Samui and we are going to Nakhon Si Thammarat. The weather here in the island is good, looks okay. So we should have a good day, a good ride. Um, it was some wonderful time here in Koh Samui. I really enjoyed actually, and I just really had very much fun, very good. So now we're gonna go in Nakhon Si Thammarat. We're gonna visit this beautiful province, but let's see. Like always, no plan, no nothing. Let's just enjoy our ride and let's enjoy our days. All right, okay. Let's grab and let's go. And like always, I'm gonna show you about on the map where we are going. All right, okay. Bye. So this is the route that we're gonna do. We're gonna leave from here from Samui condominium and go all the way to the pier. There we're gonna take the ferry. It's going to take us 1.5 hours to go from Koh Samui to mainland, and then there we're gonna take this route that is all secondary road and some off-road too, for a total of 126 kilometers, and it should take us approximately 5 hours, 6 hours to do all this. All right, okay, without further, let's go and let's drive. All right, okay, we're leaving Koh Samui. Let's go to the pier, go take the ferry, and we're gonna go to Nakhon Si Thammarat.
Continue straight. Then, your destination will be on the right.
Hey guys, here we are. All right, okay, they're closing and we are going. All right, okay. Has been a beautiful day today too, going to Nakhon Si Thammarat. Nice sunny and a little bit cloudy, but this cloud passing. We've been very lucky when it comes to weather. I don't know how long we're gonna be lucky like this, but for now we've been lucky. It's so beautiful here. Just gorgeous. What a wonderful and beautiful place is this. Southern Thailand is just beautiful. What a beautiful place. Look at this beautiful place. Lots of nature here. Look at this. Just wonderful. Rubber farm. This is all rubber farm. See? Huge rubber farm. Welcome to Nakhon Is Thammarat. Hey, and we are in Nakhon Is Thammarat. Welcome. Look at this beach where we are. Look at this. Let's see if tonight we're gonna come to eat here. I just stopped one moment here to see bar and grill and seafood. We're gonna come and eat here tonight. Let me see, where is the lobby? Reception, okay.
option. Hello. So guy, here I parked the bike. This is the place. Look, it's just beautiful. That's the restaurant. There is the beach we're gonna go after, and this is all like this. And let me show you the room. It's very nice. Nothing special really. You have this two seats here, and you go in. You have this room here that is very nice. You got a mirror here, you got space here to put all your luggage. I just come in, so you have this type of desk with this wooden chair. You have this nice bed, looks good. Talco Beach Resort, Khanom. You have a TV, you have a refrigerator, you got water. Oh, you got a few beer, Sprite, Coca-Cola. What is this? Chavachu collagen, raspberry, pomegranate. Oh, very good. This is actually good. I like. And you have here your closet. Nothing special, like I say. I will put you the price down. And this is the bathroom. It has no mirror, so what if we want to shave? I don't know how we're gonna shave, and we're gonna have to shave eventually. And this is the shower, body wash, shampoo. Yeah, not so much really. Okay, here you have 2 glasses, cotton buds, shower cap. Yeah, it's we will see how it's gonna be. Air conditioning that feels like not working, but we're gonna see now. We have to find the controller and maybe change the temperature. So yeah, this is